So these guys are power washing the concrete at Tuantonum. Funny story here, funny story. Kevin and Dave used to actually do power washing. Kevin actually did it at gas stations for a little bit, and then we did a job. This was my senior year of high school. I worked a nighttime job, would get home at like 5:30, 6 a.m. and then go to school around like 7:30, 8. But we power washed FedEx delivery trucks. So we'd go to like FedEx units and power wash the trucks. It was a terrible job, paid decent for being in high school. And, oh, look who's about to jump in the truck. But it paid decent for being in high school. It just sucked because it's a nighttime job. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Kennedy McCall, how's it going?
It's loud out there.
Heck yeah.
I'm going to get a bang. You want one?
Getting a bang? A bang? It's like 5 o'clock during the afternoon.
I'm tired.
Evening, actually.
Would you like a Monster?
I do not want a Monster.
A water?
No, I've got water.
A Diet Dr. Pepper.
Absolutely. Round 2, making Kennedy jump. Ready?
You were late on that one.
Dang it. Okay, guys, we are back at the secret test location for David Van Voor's YouTube channel. And Kennedy thinks that she can beat me in the 0 to 60 in the Ram. So she said she didn't even watch the other video, so she doesn't know what my times are. So we're going to put those up on the screen now. And so she's going to see if she can in fact beat my time. She literally told me today, she said, you're gonna buy dinner when I beat your times in the Ram. So we're gonna do some 0 to 60. She has, if you guys didn't see that video, it'll be linked at the end of this video, or I'll put it up here now. If you haven't seen that video, it was wet out that day, so she's gonna do 2 passes 2-wheel drive, 2 passes 4-wheel drive, and we'll see what her 0 to 60. But you have the upper hand because it's dry out today. However, it's now heavier because there's 2 of us.
Yeah, so you're gonna stay out here.
So we're gonna jump in the truck, and I love playing with this draggy thing. It's so much fun. But anyways, we're gonna jump in the truck, and I guess I might be buying dinner if she beats me. Guys, comment down below who you think's gonna win. Is it gonna be Dave or is it gonna be Ken Dog?
It's gonna be me.
Loser's buying dinner either way. Okay, so Kennedy made 2 passes going 0 to 60. Her first one was 784 and second one 766. Not bad. Just foot braking, not trying to bring up the RPMs. My first one was 8.47. It's because I spun a lot. I told you it was wet out. But my second 2-wheel drive hit was 764.
What was mine?
766. I barely beat you by 0.02 on the 2-wheel drive. So now we're gonna test the 4-wheel drive. We're just doing the overall winner. So if she wins over because my fastest time was obviously in 4-wheel drive. So if your fastest time in 4-wheel drive is faster than my 4-wheel drive time, you win.
Okay.
So
I think you need to get out.
We're gonna put in 4-wheel drive, and we'll see if she can beat me. Whoa, back up. So, my fastest time was 7.10 with the 4-wheel drive on. Her fastest so far is 7:54. She's got 1 more attempt. Can she do it? Kennedy McCall, can you do it?
I might be buying dinner tonight.
So we're gonna see, and I'm actually gonna let her bring up the RPM just a little bit since my fat ass is in the car. It should help out a little bit.
Thanks,
so,
babe.
We'll see. Hopefully we don't blow the diff out. That would suck. Oh, shit. And there's good old Cadillac Ranch over there. If you guys have never seen it before, there it is. Focus, focus. There it is. Look at that. Whenever you're ready. Floor it.
That's gonna be even worse because I was focused on that.
Okay. So Kennedy just found out it's a little hard to launch cars, isn't it? Just gotta change your thinking, really.
Yeah, I was too focused on trying to.
She was trying to get the RPM up just to like 1,500. We're gonna try 2,000 next time. But yeah, when she let off the brake, she didn't floor it. So it's just
my mindset was I don't know. I'm just I don't know. I'm just yeah. Scratch that out.
Guys, cut here, right? So we're gonna give her another chance. We're gonna let her build up some RPM, maybe like 2,000 RPM. We'll see if
You
it.
don't have to look while I look. I know you were looking.
Yeah, of course I was
drive.
looking. No, you can't. Who has the visor down when the windshield's tinted and there's a tinted
already
visor?
down.
There's no sun. Look, there's no sun. All right, so we're gonna find a good spot up here and we'll give Kennedy one last chance, or else she's buying dinner, boys.
Oh, I'm just gonna go. Ready?
Okay.
Come on.
Kennedy, what were you thinking?
You're weighing me down.
So her fastest time was, what was it, 7:54? No, 7:36. Sorry, 7:36.
Yeah.
My previous
7:36. Get it right.
My previous fastest time was 7:10, 7:21. Unfortunately for Kennedy, I won. Fortunately for me, she's buying me dinner. More money for car parts, that means tonight. That means I can go order some car parts. About $15 worth. So, if you guys want to see the truck versus the Jetta, now obviously my 0 to 60 is faster. It's got a little more power. It's an auto. She has to shift, but I think from a roll, you might get me because you're so much lighter. And she's got a little turbo on that thing.
Beep beep. Beep 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 beep.
So if you guys want to see us race the truck and the Jetta, comment down below. Your boy won. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow Kennedy at Kennedy McCall on Instagram
And Snapchat.
and Snapchat. I don't know, people still use Snapchat, I guess, maybe. Follow me at David Van Vorst, no longer VanV39. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the
Next one. Hands on the wheels.
Shout out Kennedy for the dinner.